Every planning solution starts the same way. An idea, scattered across emails, meeting notes, and documents that are outdated the moment they're written. Concept Builder changes that. It turns the conversation itself into a living, reviewable specification, one that an AI build agent can implement end to end. This is Concept Builder, working together with HEX, Cedar's AI agent for the analogic framework and IBM Planning Analytics. A project starts with two decisions. What are we delivering? A full application or a back-end model only? And what's the platform? TM1 and Planning Analytics or a platform-neutral back-end? We invite stakeholders directly from the organization with roles. Reviewers approve, designers deliver, viewers read. And if a concept already exists as a markdown document, we simply import it and continue from there. Nothing is retyped. The first phase of the concept creation is ingestion. You can upload all of your existing files, including documents, meeting notes, spreadsheets, emails, etc. After that, the business concept is written in an interview. We describe the goal in plain language. HEX asks the questions a good consultant would ask, proposes a structure, and once we approve it, writes the document section by section, live, on the right. Notice what's being produced. Business language, not technology. Calculations as simple formulas. Screens as visual wireframes the whole team can read. This is a document business stakeholders actually understand and approve. Specifications are only as good as their review. Stakeholders comment directly on the text. Every comment stays anchored to its section, even after HEX rewrites it. Feedback is applied on the spot, and nobody ever signs off on content they haven't seen. When every comment is resolved and every reviewer has approved, the owner closes the version. A complete, auditable trail from first draft to sign-off. On the front-end track, the UX concept is created first. After finalization, the designer can work on the prototype based on the concept. When the design is ready, the Figma prototype can be imported via the Figma MCP, and just one link imports all created screens. From those screens, HEX rewrites the UX concept so the document matches what was actually designed. Then builds the implementation spec, screen by screen, every widget identified, typed, and bound to data. Design and data meet in one document. The back-end concept is engineering grade. Every dimension, every cube with its exact dimension order and business rules, and every TurboIntegrator process with its full logic written out. Then, the moment this makes all worthwhile, handoff. The approved concept goes to HEX in Model Maker, and because it has been reviewed and signed off, HEX builds it autonomously. No questions, no confirmations. Dimensions, hierarchies, cubes, rules, and working processes built in dependency order, verified against the document in a single run. And when the concept changes, because it always does, you don't rebuild. Concept Builder knows exactly what was implemented, hands HEX only the difference, and the model is updated surgically. What changed and nothing else. From the first conversation to a running planning analytics model, one governed thread, drafted with AI, approved by people, built by HEX. Concept Builder and HEX in Cedar by KnowledgeSeed. This is how planning solutions should be built.